Hello everyone. So the Sports Spot is back with its review of the fourth test, and what a victory it has been today for India. It is. I cannot describe it like right now because all the Indian fans are so much elated and they know what this victory means for them. So like all of us might have woken up today at 5 in the morning and thinking that will India be able to chase this target, and if they do, then it will be an historic win. So with me today are Utsav, Akash, and Madhavan. And Utsav, how do you sum up the day? Like, how are you feeling? How will you describe it?
Hi Abhishek, hi Madhavan, hi Akash. I hope you are all doing good and you're proud of the Indian cricket team. Like I heard this from Harsha Bhogle. He said that oh COVID finally you are beaten. And yes, we have beaten the COVID. We have beaten what do you say the Australian team. And we as Indians are related. That Indian cricket team has made us so proud at an international arena. We have not seen what do you say a lot of sports, a lot of Indian teams participating in the last 10 to 12 months. It's just what do you say? You're waiting for this moment, and we have finally got this moment, and I'm elated. I'm very, very happy. I cannot describe it in words. No Indian can describe it in words, but I'm very happy. The performance, the grit, the passion, the determination, and one thing stands out for me is team effort. It has to be what you say. I remember someone saying to me that football is a more team sport than cricket. So if they say so, I understand the point of view of those people saying because 11 of them play together, stay together, have to like perform on the field at once. But this cricket team and cricket match or the series has shown that team effort is like if 11 players are there, it's not like they have to be on the same field at the same time. It can be like the two batsmen who are standing out there, but the effort of nine people are there. The prayers of 1.5 billion are there with him. So it's what you say a whole amount of effort, a team effort, and team effort has won India a great series, very very emphatic series win. And this would like what you said. This has to be one of the best series personally. It has to be the best test series ever in which India and Australia have taken part, as well as like if you go about it and seeing Test match cricket for five days, it's like what do you say a new thing, but an old thing. But because earlier it was like we used to see like 5 days of Test cricket, and nowadays like the Test matches end in 4 days, 3 days. But now seeing that Test match cricket in 5 days and in the end a T20 scenario as well, Rishabh Pant, an inning to be what you say proud of. Overall, I think so. I'm very, very proud of this Indian cricket team, and hopefully we continue not only in cricket, in other sports as well. India continue to prosper and succeed.
Yes, definitely it is an emphatic win. And at T20 situation, like you might have thought for a second that, oh, why didn't he play this knock in DC in IPL? But anyway, like
Yeah.
Rishabh Pant has been terrific. And Akash, what are your thoughts about today?
Firstly, congratulations for the Indian team. Uh, exactly, you cannot describe this match and this series when ending 32-year dominance of Australia on the Gabba was really impeccable by the Indian side. Inexperienced Indian side, all youngsters. You say Shumban Gill's 91 knock in the second innings was great. Rishabh Pant standing tall in the middle overs. Then Pujara getting hit by the bowlers but still standing strong was a great showing of the character and the patience and the determination by the Indian team.
Yes, definitely. Like Pujara, I remember Nick Knight in commentary, he counted how many times those Pujara hit on his body, and it was total
15,
of, yeah, total
That
15 times, 10
15
to
times.
15,
Yeah, 10 to
10
15
times,
times. Yes, sir.
10 to 15 times he was hit on his body overall. So it takes a lot to win a game. It's not just about batting the whole day, but it also takes a lot to bat. And Madhavan, what are your thoughts?
I think it has been a tremendous performance from the Indian cricket team. I have never been more proud as an Indian cricket team after this performance. Like Utsav said, it has been a team contribution. Everybody in that team equally contributed for this victory. And to add insult to the wounds, winning in Gabba just made this win extra special for the Indian cricket fans. And I think this series is going to be in the hearts of every Indian cricket fan for some time.
Definitely, it is one of the
And
most terrific wins, I would say, or in the history of Indian cricket and even in world cricket. Like there are other players who are watching this game, be it from West Indies, be it from England. Stuart Broad, Kevin Peterson, Shai Hope, then Rashid Khan. These all they
Harry
all have
Kane,
tweeted today about the game. Yeah,
Harry
Harry
Kane
Kane,
tweeted.
even he tweeted.
He
He's a
tweeted, yeah,
footballer
he
and he
watched
tweeted
the match.
about it. Yeah,
You must see
yeah,
Michael
yeah.
Vaughan's Instagram story after the win.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
He
His
it was
Twitter account
says
his Twitter account has got a lot of tweets and he doesn't know how to handle it because
no. If you see his Instagram story, it is like he trolled himself.
he had no option. He had no option.
He had no other.
He had no option because what he thought and what has happened. Like even Ashwin has trolled people. Like there were Australian experts and there were other experts who were counting that India won't be able to win, but India has won this. But the thing is that today the most saddest guy would be Ashwin. The reason being, firstly, he couldn't play the Gabba match, so Tim Payne might would have been happy that okay, Ashwin isn't playing. But the thing is that I guess this will be Tim Payne's last series itself. He won't even have to travel to India. So Ashwin would be sad that oh shit, Tim Payne is not going to come to India. So I guess I don't know what to say. Like the banter was needed and it came at the right time. Like last game is left and it was so perfect that the banter we needed it came at the right time. So like today, like what are your thoughts on the whole series? Like from 36 all out to winning the series today, Akash?
Yeah, exactly. From 36 all out in the Adelaide Test. Then Ajinkya Rahane is a beautiful captain's knock in the MCG Boxing Day Test. Then
Second.
Hanuma Viharin and Ashwin's knock in the SCG, and now Shubman Gill, Rishabh Pant, and Mohammad Siraj, Washington Sundar, Shardul Thakur. Everyone showed a great character, determination. I mean, there was no experienced player. Top 9 to 10 players were out of the series. There were only inexperienced players who were battling out there with the experienced Australian lineup, with the lethal bowling attack by Josh Hazlewood, Pat Cummins, and Mitchell Stark with Nathan Lyon. I mean, the Indian side showed a great resilience, determination, grit, and positive character.
Yes, definitely they've showed great commitment, and even after being like bruised with so many injuries, like I don't know how to put it into words. But Utsav, what are your thoughts? Like from the first match to this series win?
Yes, starting off from what you say, we remember the 36 all out, but we don't remember how well India batted in the first inning and how they were in the commanding position in that first test match. They obviously, what to say, not a reality check, I'd say, but hopefully, like a thing that motivated them even more. The desire to like face that suffering, face it on the day, and then still come out like winning, and all or what you say, still come out strongly. So that was what you say, great. What you say, that was actually very great from the Indian cricket team. Rest, I'll go over the second test match. Stand-in captain Ajinkya Rahane, all the pressure on him. Without Virat Kohli, without Mohammad Shami, without Ishan Sharma, he had to what you say make a comeback. And how well did he do? Like he has been a part of Indian cricket team and he has been the captain for three test matches, and the sense of maturity and the experience, and I'd say that everything that he did was like what do you say, spot on. What a captain would have done to make his team go where they went. Just in the third test, like it was all about resilience. There are phases in these tests. First test, you fell. In the second
They are
test, like you
actually
rose again, and in the third,
episodes of a series. They are actually episodes of a series. Like episode one being
yes,
Atlet.
episodes, absolutely,
Yeah.
episode one.
That is
Yes,
how
yes,
the
yes.
series
You
has
could actually
been.
make a documentary out of it.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
you can actually make a documentary out of it. Like the third test was all about resilience, the determination shown by Ravichandran Ashwin, Hanuma Vihari, and in the fourth test match, I had to give it to what you say, Shubman Gill, Rishabh Pant, Chiteshwar Pujara. We cannot forget this. I'd say what you say. He is the wall of Indian cricket team, the next wall of Indian cricket team, not the wall of Indian cricket team that Rahul Dravid was, but he is reaching that stature. He is slowly and steadily reaching that stature, staying there for because you see the world we are living in. It's not easy to be patient. It's not easy to be the like the situation that went by as well. It's not easy to be patient, and showing that amount of patience that comes with experience. He took the responsibility. He, Ajinkya Rahane, Rohit Sharma, they took the responsibility from the front because they had the experience and they carried out the youngsters in a very professional manner. So kudos to the whole team, the whole four tests. Like I already mentioned, it is the best test series that I have seen, and I hope like India continue this thing in the near future. And definitely congratulations to a great effort by Indian cricket team. Yeah.
Also,
Yes,
Abhishek, I want
definitely.
to know, like Australia is
Yeah.
known for its aggressive nature, for their aggressive nature, like how they turn their opponents and stuff. But so far, what do you think of this soft nature of Australia? I never seen a soft Australian team like ever before. Everywhere you go, every time
Absolutely.
whenever India visit Australia, you see like you get intimidated by the Australian players. But what do you think? Why? What do you think of the soft nature of the Australian players?
I think that they didn't expect us to perform in this way. And as I have seen that Langer is a person who doesn't want to be unnecessarily aggressive against the Indian team particularly, because he knows that this team has been built since 5 years. Like it has not been built in this series, as Ravi Shastri said today. So he knows that even without Virat, this team is quite aggressive, and we saw what happened in the SCG, like when Tim Payne tried to tell Ashwin that, okay, mate, we are going to meet at Gaba. And Ashwin replied in the savage way. So I guess the soft nature, I don't know why the Aussies have changed that, but maybe they realize that it's backfiring us. It's not helping us now.
Exactly.
So we need to be on the calmer side. Like we
I
need to ensure.
I
Yeah,
I personally feel the second test got to them. I think so. Like after performing
yeah, yeah,
such nicely in the first test and like losing the second
yeah,
test
yeah.
match,
Losing
they it got
again
to them.
so
It got
badly.
to them
Yeah,
in a negative way. They were not
yeah,
expecting
yeah.
that. They were like kind of what to say confident that now without their best players, we'll be able to what to say
Actually, the
scrape
focus,
through their batsmen.
the actual focus was on no Virat, no Shami, no Ishant, but we didn't realize that there are players who are stepping up. Like yes, Rahane, yes, Cheteshwar Pujara, yes, Bumrah, yes, Ashwin. So these players were stepping up at the right moment. So I guess that is how the series got built. Like youngsters performing so well. No one would have expected that. Like a net bowler like Natarajan, what a series for him. Like dream come true series for any cricketer. Like
And
playing all
seven
the
days
three.
before, he was a net bowler, Washington
Yeah,
Sundar
yeah,
and
exactly,
Natarajan.
exactly,
And 7 days before, they
exactly.
was just a net bowler, and suddenly they performed so well.
Yes, we are talking about
Yeah,
Washington
exactly.
Sundar. What about that six, the six that he hit off Pat Cummins? What about it? Like I was like,
Amazing
I
six. I
didn't
guess
He
expect
came
that
right
that
from the
person
middle
to
of the
hit
bat.
him.
that
Yes,
moment
yes,
was
absolutely.
that moment for the Australian players was like Ravi Shastri saying "Goti muh mein aa gaya tha." It was like that because they were like, okay, how did he just hit that six to us? And then he hit a 4-2. So it was like, oh shit, he's hit a six and he's batting well. He was batting well in the first inning as well. So he showed us that okay, I can
Yeah.
bat.
He
Don't
carried that
underestimate.
confidence in the second innings as well.
Yeah, he carried it in the second innings as well. Talking about the racism part and due to some technical glitch, Madhavan has left us, so the three of us will continue. So yeah, coming to the racism part, like we don't expect such things from the Australian crowd. And what happened with Siraj, like it wasn't expected, and he still performed well. So what are your thoughts on it, Kash?
Yeah, exactly. I mean, that's unacceptable. But the Australian teammates all stood behind Siraj, and the way Siraj performed, it didn't affected him much. At the end of the day, it's all about performing for the team without letting other things into his mind.
Yeah, definitely, because the uh, like the performance he gave, it's very tough. Like losing your father, then suddenly coming into the team, then like your prime bowlers are injured, you become the leader of the attack, and also there are racist comments passed to the whole team. So it's a bit unfair on their part. Like they are coming here to play in such times, in COVID times, and like the crowd is giving them a bit of a sly at them. So I guess it is quite disappointing to see that. So what is your take?
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. Racism has no what you say place in sports or like any other what you say big events happening at international level. We see like every time I see a Premier League match and they take a knee before the match just to say no to racism. And this is like this happened in cricket as well with our players facing the rat. It should not happen. And the only way to like answer them is by their performance. And the performance that Mohammad Siraj gave in this particular test, it was beyond words. I remember him. Remember the time when he came to bat, and the first ball he went for a like he hit a boundary. I
Yeah,
remember.
yeah,
And his intent was there. I don't know. I know that he's not a complete batsman or something, but he had an intent. He had in his eyes that I need to prove something. And he got the ball, the way he bowled, and like took five important wickets of the Australian cricket team. He was there for it. He was like fighting for it, and he knew that I belong here, and he wanted to show the whole world that yes, I belong here. He wanted to show the Australian crowd who uh, passed racist remarks that I belong here, and I'll work hard, and I'll prove it to you through my performance, and no other people's words will like what do you say hurt me or harm me
affect me.
in any way. My performance
Yes,
will speak for it itself. Yeah. So I
yes,
think so racism
definitely.
has got no part to play in sports. Yes.
Yeah, definitely. It was good from him that he stood up for himself. Like he came to the umpire, he told him that okay, like this is going beyond what we were expecting. This is not right. You need to either stop these people from passing those comments, or please take them out of the stadium. So that is also a big thing to do, because many players don't do that. Like they would just complain to the team management, and they would like that okay, let's see, the team manager will handle now. My job is to play, my job is to bowl. But he stood for himself. He came to the umpire officially and told them that okay, this is going beyond the line and I cannot accept it. So it was good from him that he took the charge, and
Absolutely.
he's answered everyone by his performance. There's nothing more to tell. Like he
The
was
amount of
here.
maturity he showed in
And
his what do you say second or
yes,
test match.
yes,
It says
yes,
for it itself. Yeah.
for him,
His
and that
amount
too
of
becoming
maturity.
the leader of the attack.
Absolutely.
That too becoming the
Yeah, yeah.
leader
He
of the
was a
attack.
leader. Yes. Yes.
Exactly.
Yeah,
I
The
mean,
whole of
playing the
the
second test and no bowlers, experienced bowlers there.
yeah, yeah.
Just his second test match, and he showed a great character in his performance.
Yes, and now also he's the leading wicket taker for India in the series. He's got 13 wickets to his name. So it shows that
well deserved. Very well deserved.
very well deserved. Now coming back to like normal things, like Ajinkya Rahane, the captain. Like the focus was on Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli leaves. Virat Kohli leaves. What will happen? But Ajinkya Rahane, he stood, he stood tall. He's shown that okay, I am calm. Like till the end today, he was so calm. He was sitting at one place. He was calm. I saw the reactions also. He just stood up and he was clapping. That's it. No words, nothing. He was just standing and clapping. So that shows his like
Seriously.
calmness and patience. So, like, what are your thoughts on it, Utsav? Like, Ajinkya Rane as a captain.
Yes. Actually, the time that you told na that he was like very patient, even in the end he didn't react much. So my father was sitting with me and he was watching the match and he told me that ये इनके राने बिल्कुल MS धोनी जैसा है. And I'm like, okay, yes, like as in terms of captaincy, he said that doesn't watch a lot of match, but the amount of what you say, obviously he's got more experience than me, and he said that looking at his what you say, the impressions, it was not what you say ecstatic. They won a great match, a great series, and a series to be proud of, but the reactions were very subtle, very
Yeah, yeah.
simple, very calm, and it showed what you say, the character, the leadership quality that he had. A good leader. Obviously, there's a reactive leader like the one who will react just like Virat Kohli, but it's not a negative reaction. It's a good reaction that we won. But there, what do you say? The
They
two
have
sides of
different
the
emotions. Yeah,
single
they
coin.
have different emotions.
Yeah,
They have
two.
different. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So, but he actually performed it. He performed in the second test when they needed it the most. He scored a crucial century that got India back into the
Yeah.
series. And after that, whole of the what you say, the third test, the fourth test, the mentality was right. The mentality was spot on from the whole of the Indian cricket team, and it has to come from the coach, the mentor, as well as the captain on the field. So Ajinkya Rahane did a perfect job, a very well what do you say executed job, and he must be proud of the players, and but we are very proud of him as a player, as a captain as well, and we
Yes.
are very proud to have him as a stand-in captain, and
Yes.
hopefully let's see like if he continues the form and let's see what the future holds actually. Yeah.
Let's see. Let's see. Akash, your thoughts?
I mean, he is the unbeaten captain right now, the Indian captain, man. And
Yes, yes.
I mean, great determination showed in the second test. I mean, no Virat Kohli, as you said, no experienced players, only Pujara, Ajinkya Rahane, and showing their experience on the field. Um, Truly a captain's knock in the second test. An important and a crucial test that was. I mean, if India had lost that test match, we could have ended that in a draw.
Hmm.
So
Yes, yes.
a good captain's knock from Ajinkya Rahane, and even in this match, today's match, even after, as you said, even after India won, he was just standing and just clapping, and that showed the calmness of captain. I mean, Virat Kohli's aggressive nature and Ajinkya Rahane's calmness. I mean, two opposite sides of the coin. I mean,
Yes, yes. Both like both the sides are helping India. Like there is a leader
Yeah.
who's aggressive and
Yeah.
there is a leader who's calm,
Absolutely.
and they are
Very
taking
well
the
said.
team together. They are building a team, and
Yeah.
they are continuing these good performances. Like if Virat Kohli isn't there, then Ajinkya Rahane comes in and he's shown what he can do. Tomorrow, if Ajinkya Rahane isn't there, a key player, a key batsman isn't there, then we have that bench strength. Then we have players who can come in and stand up. It's great. Like
Rohit Sharma as well.
yeah, Rohit Sharma is there.
Even Rohit Sharma added a fuel to the Indian cricket team
Yeah, yeah,
after coming
definitely.
in the last two
An
matches.
experienced player
He
any day.
had that mentality, yeah,
Yeah, an experienced player
yeah.
any day adds value to the team.
Plus, he already won like what do you say IPL as well with Mumbai Indians
Yeah,
again. So that helped him, and like he was confident after coming as well. Like he got the starts as well for
yeah, he
Indian
got the
cricket team
starts. He
in
got the
matches,
starts.
and he
Definitely,
also played a crucial part in that. Yeah.
definitely. Each player has played some part or the other whenever they've got the chance. And special mention to our physios. Like
yeah,
it's terrific because so many players are getting injured, and you have to ensure that you like if even if they don't recover on time, then you have to ensure that they are like in a condition that they can play the game like for a day or for 2 days. Like Jadeja, we saw in the last game, he was ready. Even after taking injections, he was ready that I'll play. So it shows not only the players, it's not only the players' mindset, but the physios have to support, the management has to support the player. So that is the thing that can drive a player to play for the nation. And I guess nothing better than a series victory. And I don't know. I don't have more words to like sum up, but like congratulations to
We
everyone,
also.
every fan, and I hope such victories keep coming, and India keeps doing better and better.
And I
As a
have
sport
personally,
nation.
yes,
Yeah, yeah,
sorry.
yeah, yeah.
I personally have, like, I just took out when you say one of the quotes, and I just wanted to like say it to everyone, to the ones who actually doubted Indian cricket team and were thinking that they'll get hammered 4-0 in the beginning of after getting hammered in the first test. So it's in Hindi. It's like जीतने का मजा तभी आता है जब सभी आपके हारने का इंतजार कर रहे हो. So actually, that is the
Definitely.
what you say the main thing that happened. Everyone was expecting हम हारेंगे, we lose, but we did it and we showed the world that yeah we are ready. And now, first of all, I remember the first thing I remember is Michael Vaughan saying 4-0. So England, be ready. We are coming for you. And it doesn't just don't
We
even think
aren't
that
coming.
it
We
cannot
aren't
happen with
coming.
you.
We aren't coming. They are
Our
And
coming.
Indian
Indian team
soil
is
only.
They are
they are
coming
coming.
here. We are ready. We are
They are
ready
coming.
for
I
y'all.
know, I
We
know.
are ready.
You guys come. We are ready for y'all.
And 4-0 can happen there as well. So you get ready, huh? But it could be the
Yeah,
other way
yeah.
around. So you get ready. We are
Yeah,
ready
as
as
it
well.
is
Okay.
said, yeah, as it is said, like to sum up, like failure is not the end of your story; it's the beginning of your comeback story, and it is what the series has been. Like first Test match again, 36 all out, and then this comeback, unexpected, and this is just pure Test match, and to everyone,
It's like a movie ending with a happy ending.
yeah, happy
A
ending,
movie
yeah,
with a happy
happy
ending. Yeah.
ending, yeah.
Yes.
And to all the people who think Test cricket is boring, even if you watch the highlights of today's game, like this Test match, you'll definitely start loving the game. So keep watching the game. Like don't rule out Test cricket. It is an important aspect of cricket, and keep supporting players. Even if your favorite player is playing or not playing, and understand the value of players who are injured and still playing, and like there and also there is no room for racism. There is no room for racism in sport. So we need to stop doing that, because we need to understand that like in these times there are players who are coming to your country and playing, and they are giving their all. So let's hope that all of this ends soon. And thanks Utsav and Akash for joining me in this chat. And
Thank
unfortunately,
you, Abhishek.
Madhvan got
Thank you,
disconnected,
Abhishek.
but it was a good chat today. And I hope that India keeps doing well as a sporting nation. And all
Let's
to
hope.
all our viewers, keep supporting us. Do like, comment, and share this video, and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and also press the bell icon. And thank you.